Rob, squad announced now for Toulon. The countdown is on. You must be really looking forward to it now.
Yeah, it's been a frustrating couple of weeks, just out watching games and seeing the lads play. But it's nice now to look forward to the 24th when we meet up here at the Vale and get the boys together and start preparing for the games coming. Yeah.
I know you've had some time with the under-17s in Cyprus, but this will be your first chance to see a few of the older boys as well.
Yeah, we had a good week in Cyprus. We had 3 games in 5-6 days, which was excellent for the under-17s for next year. Great opportunity to go and observe and watch some of the young talent we've got coming through, which is really encouraging to see. And now obviously the Toulon tournament that we've been invited to for the first time, which is great. An opportunity now for some to come into the squad, the 97s to 99s, to come in and stake a claim for the jersey when the qualifiers start on the 1st of September. So it's a great tournament to be invited to, and we're looking forward to starting the games now.
You just mentioned there that it does have quite a rich history, the Toulon tournament, so for Wales to be invited, it's a great coup for us as well.
Well, it is, yeah, and we're looking forward to that. England won it last year. There's some excellent teams going. You know, we've got 3 tough games to start with. Nobody tougher than the hosts in France on the first game, which we're looking forward to. You know, when you're in tournaments like that, you want to play against the best teams, and France will certainly be one of those. But we'll go and give a good account of ourselves. We're not there to make the numbers up. We're there to, you know, we're thankful that we've been invited, but now we want to go and do really well and progress to the latter stages, to the knockout competition, and give a good account of ourselves.
And I'm sure you'll have one eye on the under-21 qualifying campaign, which kicks off in September.
Of course, yeah. Switzerland play on the 12th of June as well, so I'll be going over to them to watch them play. We kick off with that on the 1st of September, and then Portugal away straight after it, a double-heading game. So yeah, keeping tabs on the other games as well, and monitor them. Like I said, preparing then for the 1st of September.
And just finally, the way that the tournament rules work, the age grading of players you can select from, it's quite frustrating from you, I imagine, having to be able to pick from that pool of players.
Well, it is, but like I said, you know, it gives others an opportunity to come in then. There's a couple of lads in the squad that have not been involved before, so it's an opportunity for them to come in and give a good account of themselves and stake a claim for the jersey for the 1st of September when the qualifiers start. It is frustrating because there's lads that are slightly too young to go to Toulon, but are playing men's football every Saturday, so it's a little bit frustrating with regards to that. It would be beneficial for them to come to develop them as an education as well, but rules are rules and we have to stick by them.
And there's a lot of players in that squad that have had good seasons as well. Tyler Roberts has had a good season on loan with Shrewsbury. George Thomas has played over 20 games for Coventry. Yeah,
George Thomas has been exceptional this season. I've seen him a couple of times and scored some great goals for him, albeit Coventry got relegated. But you know, I think he can hold his head high. I think I certainly went and watched a few games when Mark Robbins took over. And sometimes when the pressure's off, when you know you're relegated, I think then you know the team plays better, and they certainly did. They were impressive when I saw them, George in particular. So, and like you said, Tyler as well. Tyler's had a good season personally. It's been tough for him at times because he's been in a team that has struggled at the bottom, and even right up to the end with fighting relegation, probably with 2 games to go. He picked up an injury late on, but he's had a good season. You know, it's much more beneficial for them to go out, in my opinion, and play men's football in League 2 and League 1 than to sit and play, you know, in the 21s and 23s league. So I think it's done him a world of good by going out to play.